I was just gifted this MORENTO air purifier, and I want to show you what's inside the box and how it works. So I tested it out earlier and it works great. This is what it looks like when it comes to you out of the box. So it's nice, it's lightweight. And then the first thing you're gonna do is flip it over. This comes open with just a simple twist. And then inside you're gonna find the filter, and also this adapter for the wall outlet is gonna be wrapped up and put inside the filter. So you get that out first, and then also your filter is gonna be wrapped. So you would just take that out of the plastic. And then that goes right back in, super simple. That's the inside of the cap. You just line it up and a little twist and it's back on. Then up here, this can also open, and this is kind of spongy. You can put a few drops of essential oils there if you want, totally optional. And then that just twists right back on. So now we're ready to plug it in, and I'll show you how you use the buttons. So let's get our plug set. The outlet is right here on the back. When it comes to using the different functions, it's super nice because it tells you everything you need to know right here. But basically the first press you do is gonna get the power on. And then the second press will get it to the low mode, and the third will take you to high mode. So you can hear it's actively working harder at that high mode. And then if you do a fourth press, that will power the whole thing off. And then if you want to hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, that will put it into a 4-hour shutdown time. So we can put it on like low for 4 hours. And then when you're ready to reset the filter, you're gonna hold this down for 7 seconds. So really, really easy to use. Perfect room purifier for your air. If you're looking for a really good home air purifier, check this one out.